Okay, everyone. So I'm going to show you the demonstrations how to install the Visual Studio Community Editions, and then use to set up the environment for you to start the activity. So the first is you open the browser, and then you're going to download the Visual Studio installer. So this Visual Studio is different from the Visual Studio Code that you may already have installed and use. This one is only run on the Windows operating system. Yeah, okay. So I go to the Google, and then search for the Visual Studio Community download there. The lab is created with 2022. So you go to this Visual Studio, the older version. Yeah. Yeah. So you see, download Visual Studio 2022 Community. Okay. So here the vs community.exe, then you do the installation. You can minimize this. So wait for a while, the installer will appear. This one, yeah. Okay, before you get started, we need to set up a few things. Click continue. Okay, this will take a while. Let me just pause the recording. Okay, yeah, so continue here. Now, so you have the options, yeah. What do you want to choose? Yeah. So I check the lab will need you to do the ASP.NET, yeah. So you need to click the ASP.NET development, and then also the Windows, yeah. Okay, WPF. Yeah, I think this one, WPF and console application, Windows Form, yeah. You see. If you don't click, then later when you install, when you run, then you cannot find the template. Yeah? So you have to select the template. Okay, do you need the C++? Anyway, if later you need, then you can come back again, then install the component. Yeah. So I just choose the two. This is also support the gaming development. Yeah. So support to the web application ASP.NET and the Windows .NET desktop development. Yeah. Okay. So click install. So this need quite space in your hard drive. Okay. Then ready. If you prefer to install the latest version, which is 2026, then you can do, but you expect the appearance of your user interface slightly different from the screenshot provided in the courseware. Yeah. So if you want to do exactly the same, then just install the 2022. It's more stable, yeah, and then lack of some new features, but enough for completing the tutorial. Okay, my installation is completed. Yeah, install. Okay, and then after that, launch. Okay, so we have the Microsoft Visual Studio. The first time you open this will take a while to load the program, and actually the Visual Studio quite heavy application. It consumes a lot of resources. Okay, so you choose to sign in with the Microsoft account or with the GitHub, or you want to create the account later, or you can skip, yeah, skip the add account later. Okay, development setting, you click general or this one, yeah, okay. So I just choose the general, and then you can choose the theme, yeah. I like the light one, yeah, or blue or dark, yeah, it's up to you. Maybe the light, okay, start. Okay, so here you want to open the project solution or create, yeah, so create new one. So it will ask you what the template that you want to choose. In the tutorial one, we have two projects, yeah, the console application and the Windows form. So search the Windows form, yeah, Windows. So Windows form app, yeah, what the language is C#, yeah. So if you choose the different language, choose the different template. This is a C#. Yeah, this is Visual Basic. Okay, and then Windows Forms apps. Yeah, a project for creating application with Windows Form user interface. Okay, WinForm. Okay, so choose this one. Upgrade the next. The name, for example, parking kiosk. Okay, and then yeah, do you want to place solution and project in the same directory? If not, then just leave it like this. Then click next. Yeah. Then create. .NET 8. The 2026 Studio is using the .NET version 10. This is slightly older, but compatible with the slide and also the screenshot in the tutorial. Okay, yeah, so you see here the hierarchy on the right. We have the solution, the highest, and then the project parking kiosk. This is Windows Form. Yeah, and in the tutorial, it mentioned that you create the this one. Yeah, create a C project of the Windows Form apps and console app. Yeah, using the Studio 2022. So you have the two projects, the console app and Windows app. So here I already have the Windows Form apps. Okay, yeah, this one. So I click the solution and then right click add. Yeah, add the project, new project. Then now you type the console app. Yeah, C#. Next. So now I have you can put the name. Yeah, for example, parking console. Like this. Yeah. Click next. Okay, so now you have two projects, the console and the Windows Form. This is a solution. Okay, and you're going to start the programming the Windows Form. You click the form on the right, and then click the design. Okay, yeah, and to add the button text box, you click the view. After that, show the toolbox. This one, yeah. You can pin this on the left like this, yeah. Then after that, still initializing. Wait for a while. Okay, yeah. So here, all Windows Form, yeah. So you have the button, drag and drop, yeah, and then a text box. Like this, yeah. So when the user click the button, you want to do something, then you double click, yeah. This will generate the event handler for the click, yeah. Okay. So this one is a just now we have the label, yeah, in the this form. Okay, this is text box, eh? Okay, you can name the object in the properties. Yeah? The name is a text box one. Okay, text box one. So when you click the button, this one, so text box one dot the text equal to hello world, like this. Okay, then a semicolon. Okay, so that means when the users click the button, then it will execute this to change the text into the hello world. Yeah. Okay, then you need to build the solution or the project, then right click, and then after that build. Yeah. Yeah. So where is this? Build. Yeah. Okay. Build. So it will get the exe file. Okay, one succeeded, 0 failed. Yeah. Okay, and then after that, once built, you can run. Yeah, test. This one. Yeah, parking kiosk. Okay, so under this, click this. So it will run. Like this. Yeah. When you click the button, then hello world. Okay. So the rest you can follow the instructions to create the program as to meet the specification instructions in the tutorial. Okay.